Here we are, we're recording here, and let's go ahead and read our objective at the top, please. Can you take it away for us, please, Patty?
Students will be able to approximate the point of
Inflection.
in an exam by the intervals of concavity.
Okay, so there's two things. So today we're going to find... Now, I normally like to identify our words before we write them, but these are totally new words, we're going to define them here, so we're just going to write our title before that, okay? So today we're going to find the points of inflection. We're going to talk about what that is today. And the intervals of concavity, okay? The intervals of concavity. Okay, this is the two things we're going to do today. So in this recording, we're going to first go over the definitions, and then on the next recording, we're going to do a problem. Okay? Let's read our introduction, please, Barbara.
Today we are going to find the intervals of concavity. That is where a function is concave up and where a function is concave down. But before we get started, we need some basic vocabulary.
All right. So today is super easy, okay? It's really, really easy. Okay. So concave up. What does that sound like? It's like a cave that's what? Up. So just draw a cave that is up. If you have a curve that is going upwards like this is what is called, we say this is concave up. Okay, so now I just want to be very clear. So this here, the definition I'm going to give you is not a precise mathematical definition. It is not. Okay, why? Because we do not have the power and the tools and the math right now to define this more precisely. So what I'm going to give you is a very, very wishy-washy definition, but it's one that will make sense for us. Okay, so just to clarify this. Okay, so if something is concave up if the function is curved, what? Curved up. Now, how do you know if something is concave up? It's the easiest thing in the world. All you do is you just draw, put some eyes at the top, and you see half a face. So now, look. I know it's ridiculous, but you will not mess this up if you put a happy face, okay? It's impossible to get this wrong, okay? Every period, nobody has got this wrong because they did the stupid eyes, okay? Okay? So, yeah, that's fine. Now, we're going to do concave down. Now, clearly concave down is when a cave is going what? Down, right? This curve is said to be concave down. And something is concave down if the function is what? Curved down. Alright? Now, this is completely imprecise, okay? We don't have the tools to define it precisely yet. However, it's easy to visualize this. Now, last year, when I said put eyes on the curve, people were confused. I'm going to do this wrong. Please don't do this, okay? Please don't do this. Maybe you remember Hilario. Somebody put eyes.
The ghost.
Yeah, I know. Please, do not do this. You do not have eyes below your mouth. Clearly, now we have sad face. So, if you have a sad face, you are concave down. Okay? Concave down is the sad face. Okay? So now, concavity itself, that is just speaking of the different intervals of concave up and concave down, right? So this is, you know how extrema was max and min? So concavity, so this is both intervals of concave up and concave down. Okay, so, oh, sorry, you can't see. So this is, so when I'm talking about the concavity of a function, I'm talking about when a function is caved up and where it is caved down. Okay, when you see concavity, think of like a cavity in your teeth, right? Right? Your cavities in your teeth can be at the bottom of your teeth, right? And they could be on top of your teeth, right? You can have cavities everywhere. So the concavity is referring to both of these, okay? And lastly and importantly, a point of inflection. What I want everybody to do is draw a sideways S here. Now, a sideways S. And now again, we're going to practice drawing eyes. And draw them at the top of the curve, not the bottom. No ghosts, remember? So here we have sad face. And, of course, happy face, right? You see them there. Okay, so the point of inflection is the point that is between the sad and the happy face, i.e., the point of inflection is the point that where the function changes concavity. So the point of inflection, so this is the point where because notice, here I was concave down, now I am what? So it is the point where the concavity changes. So in other words, my concavity is going to change in some way, okay? So these are the definitions, and we're going to do some basic examples, and then we will do some harder ones, okay?